my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and we're going to learn how to make this 3D paper star today. I used O sheet music, but you can use any type of paper that you want. In this video, I'm going to be using scrapbook paper that I cut into 4.5-inch squares. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and a glue gun. So let's start with one sheet of paper. If your sheet of paper is not double-sided like this one, make sure the design is facing the outside. So let's take the sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now let's unfold, rotate, and do the same thing on the other side. So just fold it in half. Unfold. And now let's fold the sheet of paper in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold. And do the same thing on the other side. Unfold. So now using these pre-existing horizontal creases, we're going to take our pair of scissors and we're going to cut right before the halfway mark. And if you cut a little too much, it's okay. Just make sure you don't cut all the way. Do the same thing with this crease, this one, and this fourth one right here. So now you have 4 slits. Now let's take one corner, and you want to take this first one here and align this bottom side to this diagonal line. So we're going to fold it diagonally and crease it in. For this one, you kind of want to have a nice sharp point so our star is not blunt. Do the same thing on this end. And repeat for the remaining 3 corners. So let's set this first one aside and repeat the same thing with this one. So now that both of these are done, we're going to assemble them. So take your glue gun, and we're going to put a little bit of glue on this first piece here on one side. And then take this flap and put it over the flap with the glue. Let's do the same thing on this one. I love using a glue gun because it's just so quick, but you can also use a glue stick if you wanted. And finally, this last one here. So now we have the first piece done. We're going to work on the second one. So same thing. So now that both pieces are done, you're just going to take one of them, flip it around, and then we're going to add just a little bit of glue to these corners here. Just a little dab here, 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 and here, and here. take this top piece and then we're going to layer it right on top. Give it a little press down. And that is how you make a 3D paper star. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to make a 3D paper star. If you would like to see some more videos and just, lots of arts and crafts, be sure you subscribe and check out my hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!